Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Shopify and WordPress. If you're planning to build an online store, a business website, or even a content-driven brand, this decision matters a lot. In this video, I'll walk you through what each platform is, their main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and most importantly, which one is best for you. Let's get started. Shopify is a fully hosted e-commerce platform that's built specifically for selling online. Everything you need to run an online store, from hosting, security, checkout, to payments, inventory, and order management, is already included. You don't have to worry about servers, updates, or technical maintenance. Shopify takes care of all of that in the background so you can focus on selling your products. So in simple terms, Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce solution. It's designed for people who want to get online fast and start selling with minimal technical stress. Now, WordPress is very different. WordPress is a content management system, not an e-commerce platform by default. It's designed to help you build websites ranging from blogs, business sites, portfolios, communities, and yes, even online stores. But e-commerce doesn't come built-in. So to sell products, you need to add plugins, most commonly something like WooCommerce. This makes WordPress incredibly flexible. You're not locked into one use case. You can build almost anything you imagine. But that flexibility also means more responsibility. You'll handle your own hosting, updates, security, performance, optimization, and plugin management. Now let us compare the features. We start with Shopify. Shopify shines when it comes to e-commerce features that work immediately out of the box. You get a fully hosted store with built-in security and SSL, a fast optimized checkout designed to increase conversions, inventory management, order tracking, and automated tax tools, multiple payment options and global selling support, built-in analytics and sales reports, e-commerce friendly themes that are optimized for mobile, app integrations for marketing, dropshipping, email, reviews, and more, and 24/7 customer support. You don't need to install extra tools just to sell products. Everything essentially is already there. And that's why Shopify is so popular with beginners, dropshippers, and even small business owners who want speed and simplicity. Now let us take a look at WordPress. WordPress takes a different approach. Out of the box, WordPress focuses on content creation, and it's excellent for blogging and publishing, SEO-driven content websites, business and brand websites, custom designs, and advanced functionality. And to turn WordPress into an e-commerce store, you would install plugins. So once you do that, you can sell physical or digital products, you can customize every part of your store, use thousands of themes and plugins, you can control SEO at a very deep level, and you can integrate memberships, subscriptions, courses, and communities. The upside here is total control. The downside is that performance, security, and stability depend heavily on how well everything is set up. What is the pricing of both platforms like? For Shopify, there are 4 basic pricing methods. There's the basic plan for solopreneurs, the grow plan for small teams, advanced plan for global reach, and the plus plan for complex businesses. The basic costs $19 per month, the grow $54 per month, the global $299 per month, and the plus $2,300 per month. That's on a yearly subscription base. If you do monthly, the prices will go up. So it's good to pay yearly. Another good thing is when you're getting started on the first 3 plans, you get to pay only $1 per month for the first 3 months. And you can even try the plans for free before you finally commit to paying. With WordPress, there's the personal plan at $4 per month, premium plan at $8 per month, business at $25 per month, a WooCommerce plan at $45 per month, and an enterprise plan at $25,000 per year. Now, you may decide to pay monthly, the prices will definitely jump up, but if you pay every 2 years, you get a whole lot of discounts. So you may want to consider paying for 2 years upfront. So this means that WordPress can be very affordable for small sites. But of course, if you are a complex e-commerce store, it might be very expensive. Let us talk about the pros and cons of each of the platforms. For the pros of Shopify, it's extremely easy to use. It is fast And to set it up is easy with no technical headaches. There's reliable hosting and security and has great support. And the pros of WordPress? You have full ownership and control. Massive customization options are available and it's excellent for content and SEO. It can be cheaper for simple websites. How about the cons? For Shopify, the monthly fees can add up over time and the extra apps often cost money. And the cons for WordPress? There's a steeper learning curve and it requires ongoing maintenance. If you add too many plugins, it might become complex. So which one should you choose? Well, the honest answer is it depends on your goal. If your main focus is selling products online and you want something simple, fast, and reliable, Shopify is the better choice. It removes technical barriers and lets you focus on marketing, fulfillment, and growth. But if you want complete control, like you plan to create a content-heavy website or you want flexibility beyond e-commerce, then WordPress is the better long-term platform as long as you're comfortable managing it. And that's it on the comparison of Shopify and WordPress. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Wix, Squarespace, and BigCommerce. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.